Hello. Hi. I'm Kelsey. And I'm Amanda. Alright. Now, in one of our previous videos, when I have that retarded dance off with Jade, and she's a country hit person,
we're going to explain to you the roots of it.
And then we named off a dance move for her to do, and she did the microwave, and at the end she was like microwave. So we got a little show for y'all.
Yeah.
Don't lick my butt.
I'm just kidding.
Sorry. Microwave! Amanda, your turn. Open the fridge, get a chicken. Open the microwave. Yes. Woo! And that would be the root of the microwave thing my Bob Jade. Stay in school. Stay in school and don't do drugs.